Hello everyone. It's good to be back after a long time. Hope you guys are doing well. Also, so today we will be talking about this library called Crow, and it is an library that lets you do HTTP requests in C++. Uh, any of you guys have worked in C++, you might know that building a web server in C++ is a pain, and they are not really good uh, language support from the standard. So you have to depend on a lot of third-party libraries. The good thing about this library is it's header only. Just a disclaimer, it's not header only in a true sense. What I mean is that it does need other libraries. It does need other dependencies to work. And I tried it earlier with Xcode, and I was having a bunch of issues because of linking and whatnot. And so I just want to try it with normal GCC compiler using command window without Xcode because I'm not a big fan of Xcode. So okay, let's do it. Let's start. So to save us all time, I have already let me clear my screen, made a folder called crow, and if you ls into that, you have a main.cpp and crow_all.h. You can download this crow_all.h file from the documentation, and you have this main.cpp, and right now main.cpp is really simple, doesn't have anything special here. So let's edit it, and let's follow the documentation as well. Let's just code this part up. So here, let me just delete this whole thing and insert code, right? So let's do grow. I'll just do my app instead of simple app. And yeah, the indentation is crazy here, but just bear with me for a second. And do app. If you guys have worked with like routes in other languages, it's very simple. The only thing I want to highlight here is that it's using a lambda inside inside that crow route function to handle routes. So that's interesting. And I'll just write hello from crow. Okay. All right. So after that, the only thing that we have to do is app dot port 1808. Oops. Yeah, actually you can use any port as long as it's available. And yeah. So let's run it now, and let's quit. So let's look at it once more. What we did right now, we just have a small function in main, and let's now compile it. I had already tried to compile it earlier using, the only thing is that you need to compile it using, I think my guess is at least greater than C++14, but just use C++17 to be like on the safe side. So it says no namespace, no type named my app. Oh, yeah, that was my mistake. Sorry for that. Okay, so there's no namespace. Yeah, I thought, yeah, I don't know why I was thinking it was something else. Okay, so looks like that should work. Okay. All right, so successful build. That's a big thing with third-party libraries. Let's try running it now, and I think It should be straightforward. Okay, so it looks like it's using 2 threads. Let's run it now. And uh, damn, I forgot the port number it was running in. Okay, so it has, yeah, this is where you want to go. Okay. What does it say? HTTP. Let's try localhost. There you go. So if you zoom in, it says hello from Crow, and that's great. And if you see here, you will see that it sent a response, all these things. So that's great. It's easy to use, as you can see. It took us like 5 minutes to set it up. Pretty easy. Looks fine. And let me know if you guys want me to make more tutorials about on it. If you want me to make any backend server and hook it up to like something like React or something like that, I'll be more than happy to do that. So that's all about it. And yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you.